This is the vending machine at Walmart, in the same place where we filmed the vending machine both entrances 1 year ago. The first one is located at Home and Pharmacy entrance. Now let's insert $1 to get Coca-Cola Zero. Oh no! I got the wrong drink. It's Sprite, not zero sugar Coke. And the final one is located at Market entrance. Since we got the wrong drink, let's get Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, the correct drink, by inserting $. Finally, it's here, so let's get it. There, thank you for watching the video.